this video, we're going to learn how to install CaseGuard Studio. If you've just purchased a license and you need to know what the next steps are so that you can start using CaseGuard right away, in this video, we're going to learn how. First things first, you should have received an email from CaseGuard. This email will include a link to the website that you need to go to download CaseGuard, as well as your login credentials, your username and password. Once you click on this link, you're going to be directed to this web page, and you're going to want to enter your username and password from that email into these boxes. I'm going to click Login. This page is where you're going to be able to download all of the newest CaseGuard updates right as they release. Here at the top, you'll see the latest version of CaseGuard. You're going to want to make sure that you download this version because any other versions aren't going to have all of our newest features. So when you're here, just go ahead and click Download. We're going to go up to our downloads and click here. Now we're just going to go through the setup wizard. I'm going to click Next. If you're downloading this for just your machine, you can click Only for Me. If you're an administrator and you need to download it for an entire team, you can download it for all users. But for my purposes, I'm only downloading this for my personal machine, so I'm going to choose Only for Me and Next. Here I'm going to want to choose Typical. This is going to give you all of the features of the program. This way that you can use all of CaseGuard's features. Nothing will be left out. I'm going to choose Typical. Here you can choose where your download is going to be stored. It'll automatically select a folder. You can browse, choose a different one. I'm fine with this one, so I'm going to keep it here. Then you're going to have to agree to the license terms and conditions. Once you do this, it'll let you install. So now I just have to wait for CaseGuard to install. This may take a couple of minutes, but it shouldn't be too long. I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up so that you don't have to watch the entire installation process. As you can see, my installation is done. If you want to launch CaseGuard Studio instantly, you can check this box, and once you click Finish, CaseGuard will launch on your machine. And now CaseGuard is launching. It's that easy, only takes a couple of clicks. Now as you can see, CaseGuard's open, it's installed properly, and we can begin redacting. Hope you enjoyed.